First off, before I start this review, I just want to thank everybody for 550 subscribers, because I will have more content. And that Spider-Man Little Caesars video was awesome. I can't wait to go back to get another Webberoni box. Can't right now. And I missed out on the post. So there's a poster every week. Uh, yeah, I get paid tomorrow, so we'll see. We shall see. You know. Um, and the hat. I'll see if I can get the hat. It's probably likely I won't. I don't know. We'll see. And I still need the other two boxes. So, yep, that's all. So I will start this review now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Masters of the Universe Chronicles series review. This is the third figure I'm reviewing. Trapjaw. Look, we got Trapjaw. So there's the front. There's the side. There's the other. So he's got a lot of accessories. So, oh, I gotta read this. I'm trying to read it. So dark in here. Trapjaw, evil and armed for combat. The menacing monster of a man with machine parts serves as Skeletor's walking weapon of destruction. Trapjaw leads his master's army across Eternia in a search of the key to Castle Grayskull, the Sword of Power. Just the back of the box here. So, yeah, I bought Skeletor for Justine Marcato, one of my closest friends. I bought him a Skeletor because he loves the character so much. He deserves a Skeletor figure. So I don't like have a Skeletor figure on me. Will I get one? I'll get one when I can. So, yep. All right. Let's open this guy up, but I want to be careful. So, I got a new toy here. Um, it's like a 2-in-1. You can erase like when you get mail, you can erase your address off, which is great. And also, knife. There's a knife. So yeah, we're gonna got a new tool here. Try to get this open up here. It's like gonna get the tape off. And yeah, I am gonna open from the sides. I saw that comment. Yeah, he didn't. The figure that Justine got, I think I did. I did get a replacement. And the other one is fine. Um, it was. I think it was like it was either like that or he got like a bad copy. I'm not sure. Oh, it's already open. Look at that. Look at that here. Okay. Trying to be careful. Ooh, it doesn't look. That's just cardboard. Ow! That landed on my foot. get some con. Oh, yeah. It's the same. It's the same cardboard art. So I think for all of the villains of this figure series, I think the cardboard art is gonna be the same. In fact, the same. Okay. Buy box. Okay. There's a hand. How am I gonna do? I mean, yes, I could. Oh, I didn't fall on the floor. I fell on my arm there. Okay, move the stick. Yeah, I will. Where'd get the? Okay. Accessories. Wow. Yeah, it comes with. I think it comes with a lot more than what He-Man and Man-at-Arms came with. I know Skeletor has a staff there. Okay. So I'm still using the scissors here. Is there any more? Is that it? Yeah, I think that is it. Okay. Oh wait. I'm dead. I'm dead in center wrong here. Where's... Okay. Careful. Okay. That's one. There's the, oh, I don't need, never mind. I don't need the other. Okay. Okay. Is that it for the... Is that it for the plastic? Yeah, it is. Okay. And we still... I knew it. I knew it. That was not it for these. Okay. Are you gonna come out? Are you gonna come out? Or am I missing? Is there something that's stuck here? No. Actually, okay. Well, alright. Yeah. Bye. Bye. It's Trapjaw. So, he's got, is it says 20, is it 20 points of articulation or is it more? Okay. Oh, he can move his mouth a little bit. Kind of. Wait, can you? Yes, you can. Actually, you can. You can move his. Look at this. You can move his. You can move his mouth, like Skeletor. That's awesome. So you can look up, down, and side to side, and it's good. Arm joints. We're gonna look at his. Except, I dropped something. I dropped something. Oh, that came off. I was looking at. Okay. What is this? This cannon. Yeah. Kick. And he's got good leg articulation. So this is definitely rubber. This is rubbery plastic. So we're actually sometimes I cut to um other accessories. So I think is this no. Hold up. Okay. Might wanna move this somewhere else. Okay. So twisted on here. Which is there's this Captain Hook or Hook. There's this Hook. There's this Hook. Yeah. Wow. It's a good looking hook. Okay. Get the hook off. I think the sword. You put the sword in here. Well, no, I'm wrong. The sword's for his other hand. Got an extra left to right hand. Alternate hand. Did I get that? Yeah, I got on. It's a good arm joint. So this is actually his sword. Yeah. I smell the rubber and plastic. And he's got his cannon that Adam used in the film for He-Man, actually, which I should review. I don't know why I didn't review it yet. I saw it early. I got a notification, but yeah. So here is Trapjaw. I'm gonna check my phone to see what's up. And then just stop looking at my phone when I'm making videos, but I need to. I like this figure. Yeah, turn on the light. I want to get the Pixar lamp. Yeah. Shall we compare him with He-Man? I don't even have He-Man on my desk right now, so. Oh, oh my god, my Wolverine. Okay. I don't know where I put He-Man. Let's go search for him. Put them both. Boom. Oh, his sword fell. That's. Yeah, that happens. Can he even store his sword? Anywhere? No. kind of wish he had like a storage space. So, Man at Arms did not have one either. So, yeah, just for fun. Can you hold the cannon? No. Cannot. You can't hold the cannon, so wait, go check out my He-Man review, but uh he's got a lot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave with the hook for now. Alright. I will do the outro now. Or my outro. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here, like, favorite, and share. Comic-Con's coming up. I'll try to make some content. Well, I will. I gotta get back into movie reviews, don't I? Yeah. I don't even. I got more figures to review. Masters of the Universe. No, I don't have any more Masters of the Universe Chronicles. I don't. I know Skeletor and Triclops. I think are the only. Or is it? No. I'm missing Battle Cat. Yeah. And those Battle Cat's pretty big. What else am I? Is that it for now? Cause I think was it Tila and what's a sorceress? No. What's her name? I'm blanking on Allison Brie. Somebody will save me in the comments. Evelyn, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Evelyn. Yeah, that's coming out this fall, and I should get Tila in September. So it's July right now. So I don't know. Does Mattel have stuff coming out? They better. Well, as of right now, I got Trapjaw. Transformers. I got a lot of Transformers to review here. And Marvel Legends. Yes, did not forget about the Marvel Legends. Yeah, so anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, like, favorite, and share. What is this? Oh, that's it. Is that Sun stickers? I think this is Sun stickers gone. I hate when my accessories are touched sometimes, or somebody. Hope you guys are having a good day, good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon, or time zone it is. If you're at an airport watching this, or if you're in your room or outside, in your living room, with whatever your office for work, if you're at work right now. If you're at work right now, if you're at work right now, if you're in a basement, an attic, I don't know, I don't know. Hey, I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and I'll see you in the future. Peace!